All right, welcome back everybody, and today being Sunday, June 7th, and unfortunately I got here a little bit late this morning. I had an important meeting at church that I had to attend this morning, so I got here late and just in time to watch the high-speed taxi being performed, which she did beautifully. So right now they're doing a post-flight inspection, if you will. And that may not be the end of our day today. We'll find out a little bit more depending on the weather. And we'll see what happens. I think we may be doing one more high speed just to make sure everything's looking good. So I did get some footage of the high speed. So let me put that in here and enjoy, guys. This is a big milestone for us, and that's another step before she takes to the skies. So enjoy the high speed taxi, guys. All right, everybody, this is it. It's time to go flying. Did he just say fly? Yes. Yes, I did.